For color ink, a rubber roller is used. Ink is mixed at the side of the glass table with a palette knife. Once the desired color is achieved, it is applied evenly to the edge of the roller and then rolled out so that it is distributed evenly over the roller. Just as in the roll-up, the image is removed using solvents. If the stone has been sitting out for a couple of days, this may take some time. The image is then charged by applying asphaltum. The excess asphaltum can be removed with a sponge. Be sure to rinse out the sponge and change the water before rolling up the image. The image is slowly brought up, much the same way as in the roll-up. Rolling is done in a forward and back motion with a rotation at the end. This is so that ink from the roller is evenly distributed over the image. Rolling continues until the darkest areas of the image appear full. At this point, a proof is taken to set the press and check the amount of ink on the stone. Newsprint and a backing sheet are laid over the stone. Next, the tin fin is placed over top. Using a spatula, pressure grease is spread over the surface of the tin fin. The press bed is then slowly wheeled through while holding up the pressure bar. The pressure bar is lined up so that it will sit on the stone at the very edge. This position is then marked on the press bed with a piece of masking tape. Once the pressure is locked, the press bed is then slowly wheeled through. The pressure bar is lined up so that it will sit on the stone at the very edge. This position is then marked on the press bed with a piece of masking tape. Release the pressure bar and roll the press bed back out. Using the spatula, the pressure grease is removed from the pressure bar and reapplied to the tin fin. The tin fin is then removed and the proof is revealed. takes several passes with the roller before the image is ready to be printed again. Look for the darkest areas of the stone to be their fullest to know when to print. For lithography, BFK Reeves paper should be used. To pick up the ink, it is best if the paper is dampened first. With a saturated dripping sponge, run it down the length of the paper in streaks. Rinse the sponge out completely, then remove excess water going across the paper. Hold the paper between your knuckles to keep it clean and line it up with the stone. Apply the backing sheet and place the tin fin over top. Use the spatula to evenly spread the pressure grease over the tin fin. Lock the pressure handle. Roll the press bed through evenly and quickly to the second mark. Release the pressure bar and roll the press bed back out. Using the spatula, the pressure grease is removed from the pressure bar and reapplied to the tin fin. Remove the tin fin and the backing sheet. Using your knuckles, carefully remove the print from the stone and place in the drying rack.